All right, so if you're curious as to what this chair actually looks like and if it's an easy assembly, the cushions, we're putting those on as the final things here. These just slide right on. Looks really nice. The wood feet down here, it did chip a little bit down here in the front, but overall it looks really nice. A little bit of a chipping going on there too. This part was really easy. None of this we had to assemble. This was already pre-assembled, but then obviously we had to attach it to the wood legs, and then we have to attach this cushion. I think this is really cool. When you want a footrest, you can have it extended out, and then whenever you don't want it, you just flip it back and push it in, and then it's hidden. But overall, really easy assembly. Instructions were very clear, had pictures and everything.
Oh, there's Velcro right here, so it holds on to it too.
There's Velcro here, and that helps hold on to the cushion. And then we've also got ties down here and a zipper. So multiple ways for this to actually, sit on the chair. And then this part gets zipped, which is nice because sometimes you lose stuff down under the cushions and stuff. We have this in our rental property. As you can see, we got other furniture in here that, guests will be using. And this is going to be one of our newest pieces. I think it's actually really beautiful, and it's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be too. It's an oversized cushion. I'll sit in it here once we got it fully assembled and decorated and show you what it looks like. It does have a throw pillow, nice. And then this is the leg rest. So that's what it looks like with the leg rest out. And then here's the little throw pillow. Very cozy. So I do feel like it's a pretty good size. I wish there were almost like, armrests, but it'd be a good like reading chair. The pillow is actually a nice little back support as well. I feel like without the pillow, obviously this does recline back further too. We just have it partially reclined, but it'll actually go back even farther. But yeah, nice comfortable little chair. The footrest part does kind of get stuck sometimes, but works pretty well. And I think it just looks great with our design and everything as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a great rest of your day.